In this lesson, we're going to show you how to add and remove users to and from groups. Suppose I have this group here. If you want to see what is the list of users, you simply click on the plus by the group and you're going to see all the users under that group. To add, you simply go to the list, grab one of your users and add user to the list. And to remove, you highlight the user, right click and remove the user. Confirm, and the user is no longer in the group. Therefore, that user no longer has the permissions inherited by that group towards the user. So this is how you add and remove users from the group. Thanks for watching.